My man. Hello, bro. How far now?
Brother Solo, I don't fuck up.
Bro, what happened?
My wife dey vex for me because say I offend her. Her birthday just passed. I no celebrate her. Abeg bros, you go help me beg her. Tell her say I love her from the bottom of my heart. Tell her say make she forgive me.
Wait. You mean her birthday passed? You didn't even celebrate her birthday? Because of the matter? Huh? Oh, no. Huh? Happy belated birthday to you, Mrs. Christiana. Okay, alright. You know what? You know what I'll do now? You know her best friend is my friend. Hmm? Okay. I will call her best friend now to help me talk to her. So that I will go beg her now. You know how she dey be. Don't worry, whatever it will cost, I will take care of it. You know my man now. You don't forget how they settle matter before. You know now. And the way they settle land matter. Not fear, relax. I will handle everything. Nothing now, not fear, relax. I will take care of everything, okay? I will settle it, don't worry. I'll update you.
Okay. Thanks, brother.
Hello, this one you're in my house.
Vivian, see. For the fact that we're no more together, does not mean you cannot help me and I cannot help you. See, Vivian, there's issues. You know my friend now, Christiana's husband.
Yeah, of course I do.
He just called me that he's having misunderstanding with his wife, Christiana. Funny enough, because of the issues now, we were supposed to celebrate Christiana's birthday, but you understand? Even her birthday has passed. Do you understand? And they did not celebrate it because of the issues. And you help me tell her now that my friend is wishing her a happy belated birthday. And that he loves her so much. And if she forgives him this time around, he promised never to fuck up again.
Okay.
Help me talk to her.
Actually, you're lucky. I'm actually heading to her place now, so I will talk to her.
Nice
so
one.
when I come back in the evening, I'll let you know. We'll see the evening.
See what you do. No matter what it will cost, I am ready and capable to take care of it.
I will let her know.
Thank you.
So make sure you come back in the evening. I will tell you how far.
I know, Wala. Vivian, I will still see you again.
So we'll come back in the evening. Let me tell you what happened. Right.
Vivian, even if it's just once.
Hey, so we are here.
Vivian, how did it go?
It went well, though. She has forgiven him. But since you told me to tell her that at any cost, you are willing to bring them together again. So this is the list of the items that she said she wants to make them happy again.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Hey, Solo, have you gone through?
Jesus is Lord.
Solo?
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.